Hi, today I'm going to show you how to quickly change or update your profile picture on the Reddit app so you can refresh your profile. So let's get started. First, open the Reddit app on your phone. Then tap your profile picture to open your profile page. Once you are on your profile, tap Edit next to your username. Here's your profile picture, just tap the plus symbol icon. Then you have the option to pick an image from your gallery. Tap Pick Image, select any photo, and tap Add. The photo will be added. Or you can create an avatar. Follow the same steps as before, but choose Create Avatar. Then select any avatar from the options that appear. You can also change outfits, tops, bottoms, hair, and face. Once you're done, tap Save. And that's it. Your profile picture is now updated and visible to everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.